Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Sophia Patrick. So guys, I've been on a weight loss journey, which I'll be sharing with you guys soon on my channel. So I was craving for bread and I really wanted to eat bread. So I decided to make a keto bread with oatmeal flour. So if you're interested in seeing this, kindly keep watching and please kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe and share with your friends guys. So if you're on a weight loss journey or you just want to eat something more natural without, you know, this is the right video for you. So these are the ingredients I am using. It looks quite much, but then just a little bit of all this. So yeah, I have my baking powder and I have my honey, which is going to serve as a sweetener. Then I have my egg here. I have here my soybean powder, then salt. I also have my unsweetened yogurt, and here is my apple cider vinegar. Then I have a main ingredient here, which is the oatmeal flour. Then I am using a milk. I also have my mixing bowl here. So first we're going to mix our dry ingredients first. Put in my oat flour. I am not really using an actual measurement. I'm just doing this. So now I'm putting my baking powder I mean. I'm putting my salt now. This should be it. Then I am going to put the soybean. And then mix. I'm going with my whisk. I didn't mention this at first, but so now I'll be mixing up my liquid ingredients. I'm putting my unsweetened yogurt. This yogurt is unsweetened, but it's sweet, like it's still fresh. It was just made this week. Just milk and calcium. I think this is okay. The vinegar will react with the baking powder so that the bread will at least rise a bit. Combine my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients. this. So I'm doing this in order to make sure the bread is leveled. I'm actually baking this in my microwave. This is our dough ready to be baked. So guys, this is it. So I had this sit in the microwave for about 15 minutes and this is it. So now we're gonna test this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on my next one. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so.